Good morning children, welcome you all in our math session. Our multiplication chapter completed and today we are going to do multiplication table activity. For this activity we need coloring paper, white paper, then sketch pen or pen. Okay, first we have to make a shape like this. Look, this is a rectangle piece, then fold it in this way and then cut it. Look, you have to cut in this shape. And it will become like this. Then this coloring paper also cut like this. Okay, then open it, put this paper, then cut it inside. Then write table. We are going to write tables from 11 to 20. Okay, here in this paper we will write table of 11. Look like this. Okay, then another white sheet like this we have to write 11 to 20 tables. Okay, then with the help of Fevicol stick this white table shape on this coloring. Okay, it will look like this. So all 11 to 20 tables we have to write on white paper or white shape and then stick the color shape. Look here children, our tables are ready. After sticking this table and this white shape on this color shape, we have to make a hole here. Okay, so use punch machine for hole. Okay, look like this we have to make a hole. Then we have to arrange from 11, then 12, then 13, these shapes, then 14, 15 stable, 16 table, then 17 here, 18, 19 and 20. We have to make a bunch of these tables and then we will use a wool or thread to make a bunch. Okay children, look here. Here we arrange these petals or these shapes in 11 to 20 table. Okay, and then use this wool or thread and make a put in this hole and make a knot here. Okay children, and you can see the tables like this: 11, 12, 13, it's 14, 15, then 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. This table these tables are useful to you in whole year. Okay, children? These tables are useful to you for multiplication and division also. Okay? Keep this table with you whole year. Children, you have to do activity of multiplication table like this. Okay? You can keep with you in bag. Okay? Like this, you have to make a activity. Look here. Okay, children? Make a activity of these tables and learn the tables properly. Okay? Thank you.